Hello everyone, this is Prabha from Smart Interviews and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we have Shravya Pondru with us, who has successfully been placed in Bank of America with 6.5 lakh per annum package. So today we are going to be discussing with her that how she has prepared for her interview rounds and how Smart Interviews played a crucial role in his journey. So let's get started.
Hello, sir. I'm Shravya. I'm currently pursuing 4th BTech in Information Technology. I'm from Pedana, a small village in Krishna district, and I got placed in Bank of America with a package of 6.45 LPA.
No, that's great. That's like first of all, congratulations, on your placement and all the best for your future endeavors. So,
Thank you.
were you into any extracurricular activities outside your studies?
Like, if I say hobbies, like I'm interested in painting, and so
Hmm.
I do some of the paints in my free time.
That's great. And what motivated you to pursue your current field of study?
Before joining BTech, like I heard about many things in like CSE and IT, like coding. And so when I heard about it, I thought it was very interesting, and I thought I should do that. Then after joining in BTech, while learning the new things, I got very much interested, and like I was very excited to learn those things. And particularly in DSA and coding, I liked it very much. And with that, we can improve our like problem solving skills, etc. So that made me more interesting in that field.
Okay. And how was your cultural background?
My sister has already graduated and she is working in Adobe right now. And
Mhm.
I saw her learning these things, doing coding, all those things. So from her, I got motivated and I should also do that. So in that way, I was into this field.
Okay. Okay. So, were there any challenges or obstacles you faced in your academic journey, like personally or otherwise? How did you overcome them?
Of course, there will be some challenges while pursuing things. Like sometimes we'll not able to get the things easily. For that, just we need to practice and we need to wait with the patience, and all the things will
Mhm.
be done slowly. So that's what I can say.
Okay. Okay. So, is there any particular event or a moment in your academic journey or your time with Smart Interviews that has had a profound impact on you? If so, please share it with us.
So while I was in smart interviews, I learned many new things, like how to solve different how to solve a problem in different ways, and how to solve different techniques. All with all those techniques, I can able to solve the problems that I got in my interview questions or in any exams. With that, I was able to do the things perfectly with the
Mhm.
continuous practice and with the guidance of the smart interviews.
Okay. And how was your experience learning with Smart Interviews and how did it help you?
While we learn coding, generally in our curriculum, we'll be
Mhm.
taught like the basics of the programming and how to solve, how to do a program. But in smart interviews, it taught me like how to solve a problem in different ways, in how to analyze a problem, and what is the correct way of solving a problem, like understanding the constraints, understanding the edge cases, how different ways of approaching the problem. All these things helped me.
Okay. So, are there any specific academic achievements or awards would you like to highlight?
In our academic curriculum, we have participated in a 12-hour datathon which was conducted by our college. In that, our team has secured first place in that datathon.
Okay. Would you recommend Smart Interviews to others, like in terms of what you have learned, and if you would like to suggest it to someone, would you do that?
Yes, sir, definitely. Smart interviews helps us very much to learn programming, and it will be a great start for to whom those who wanted to start learning programming and learn DSA. I would definitely recommend it, sir.
Okay. So, if I say please describe Smart Interviews in a one word or a sentence, so what would it be?
Smart interviews teaches us many things. It would be difficult to sum up in one word, but it will be like it is very suitable with that, with its motto like learn, evolve, and excel. It is the perfect motto that we can do.
Okay, thank you for the kind words. Like, is your family happy with your like achievement, like what you have achieved till now, and after joining Smart Interviews, how it had changed?
Of course, my family is happy with the achievement, but now it's very difficult in getting jobs. But I was successfully placed in a company. That was, I can say that it was because of smart interviews, because in exam or in interview I solved some problems. That is because of smart interviews. There I have learned how to solve, how to approach the things. So it helped me very much.
Okay, thank you for doing this for us, and it was nice having a chat with you. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you liked it. To enjoy more content like this, please like and subscribe to our channel, and please let us know in the comments what other content would you like us to create. Thank you once again, and we'll see you in the next Smart Success video.